This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Zachary. Beautiful updated home in the heart of Virginia Beach, convenient to shopping, restaurants and interstate. All one living level. Low maintenance and perfect for any buyer. New kitchen sliding door 2024, bedroom sliding door 2023, new cabinets and bathroom vanity 2017, electric range 2020, refrigerator 2023, dishwasher 2024, hot water heater 2024, HVAC 2018, and windows 2017. Some photos have been virtually staged. Campus East Community Association provides a gorgeous pool, tennis courts, playground and clubhouse. Come by today. November 11, 2024. For more information, review the details below.